Hey guys, Thompson Viewpoint is right there, and unfortunately most of the stuff that I'm going to show you guys today, obviously it is closed, and you guys probably know why. And you're now looking at the Whirlpool Adventure Course, which is pretty cool. You know, it is closed, but I do see people actually going up, so I don't know, they're probably staff. And you do have parking. I don't think it is free, you still have to pay. Yeah, that's definitely staff prepping or hoping. So this is one of the must do if you ever visit Niagara Falls. It's a little away from the main area, so either you have to drive or you take the WeGo bus. So I'm just walking by the Niagara Glen. If you guys drive, then you just have to drive a little bit outside, or you can take the bus, take the WeGo and get off by Niagara Glen bus stop, and then you can just explore the entire area. Very beautiful. You can picnic. Again, I'm at the still at the Niagara Glen. Just looking at the map, and now you can go down hiking, and I see people even going down for fishing. So let's go down, check it out. So you can absolutely hike, but then make sure you follow the rules. So let's just go down and see. Sorry. Alright, I made it. So climbed all the way down, and obviously you can hike, so now guys, I lived here for almost 20 plus years now. Not once have I explored this far, so it is crazy. I'm just gonna take a hike, and just to show you guys, look how crazy. So I was up there a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna continue walking, and I think I should have a great view of the Niagara Gorge. So let's do it. Wow, look at this, just insane. I've seen people walking further down here. Alright guys, I've been roaming here for the last 10 or 15 minutes, and now I'm just gonna head back because my wife and kid are waiting for me, and they don't even know that I'm here, so I better go. But pretty cool. You just have to pay for parking and then explore. Guys, another must do should be the Floral Clock, which is again further down. You can still take the bus here. It is not maintained during the winter, but it's early spring, so you're not seeing any flowers. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will come back here during summertime just to show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, we are at the Queenston Heights. It's an heritage park, pretty beautiful. At any time you'll see lots of seniors in here, and let's just explore this a little bit before I go back to the main areas that I came And I'll be honest with you guys, I didn't even know such stuff existed. So you just have to come and explore a little bit. Brock's Monument. It's pretty cool. Upper Canada has dedicated this monument to the memory of late Major General Sir Isaac Brock. And guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will absolutely come back in summer. Wow, look at that view. Must be amazing. Niagara Falls. Alright guys, this is the Butterfly Conservatory stop. Again, I can't repeat this enough. You can take the bus or you can drive. There's parking here. Unfortunately it's paid, whereas if you take the bus, I think it's the better option. I'm not going to go all the way inside, but if you have kids, this should be on your list of things to do when you get to Niagara Falls. Alright guys, this is the Whirlpool car. As I told you guys, it is closed, so I have done this many times. I'll just show you guys how it looks like. I even forgot how much it is, but it's a beautiful, it's an amazing experience. You got to do it at least once. Normally that's where you go down to reach the cable car. No, the aero car. Alright, this is the white water walk, boardwalk by the rapids. You go down and you get to walk right next to the gorge, or the water. The white water is pretty cool.